Rust, it's a huge problem. But what if we could fight it with just a beam of light? What if you could literally erase rust with light? No harsh chemicals, no damaging abrasion, just light.
For years, fighting rust has been a messy, costly battle for every industry out there.
Traditional methods are just abrasive and messy. There has to be a smarter, better way to do this.
Well, now there is. Meet Chihalo's laser rust removal. It's a total game changer in cleaning technology. So how does it work? It's a process called laser ablation. Let's break down this incredible science. The laser's energy hits the rust, which instantly vaporizes it, revealing the clean metal underneath.
And you know what's really cool? This tech addresses every single flaw of the old methods. First up, precision. You can clean super delicate parts without causing any damage to the material underneath.
Plus, it's way better for the environment. We're talking zero chemicals, zero solvents, and almost no waste.
This tech seriously boosts workplace safety. Your team isn't exposed to any of those nasty toxins anymore.
Oh, and it is unbelievably fast. Way faster than sandblasting, which means a huge boost in productivity.
Okay, but don't just take my word for it. Let's see how this actually works in practice.
In the auto world, a laser took off heavy rust from this classic car without touching the original metal.
And check this out. It's precise enough to restore a priceless artifact, saving details lost for centuries.
Okay, so this is a crucial question. Is it actually a smart investment? Let's talk numbers.
So yeah, the initial cost is a bit higher, but the long-term savings, that's where it really pays off.
You can say goodbye to buying abrasives and chemicals, and forget about those hazardous waste disposal fees.
Get this, one client cut their equipment downtime in half, a 50% reduction. That's massive.
So this isn't just some new tool. It's really the new standard for surface prep and maintenance.
Which brings us to the main point. Isn't it time to stop just cleaning and start innovating?
See how Chihalo can totally transform your work. Just visit chihalo.com to get a quote